Hey, what's up? Where are you from? These guys want to finish us. Huh? Where are you from?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Cambodia also? Oh.
This Cambodia, this Thailand.
Okay.
She just live with brother.
Oh, you're going to the hotel? Okay.
I have you now.
So, good morning guys, good afternoon and good evening wherever you're watching this video. My name is William and I'm just in a tuk-tuk going to what Phnom Penh. Look at the beauty of Cambodia. Straight up, my name is William. Make sure you subscribe, you hit that bell, and everything is gonna be massive. Now, last time I promised you to give you the special tour of this beautiful water body. Look at that, man. Welcome to Cambodia. The capital city is Phnom Penh, okay? Phnom Penh. For those of you who don't know Cambodia, Cambodia is in the Southeast Asia, where we have Thailand, we have Philippines, we have Malaysia, we have Laos, and other many countries. Now, this place has got some beautiful birds. Look at those ones, man. So can I go there? Should I go there? What should I do? Yo, what's up? You're good? What's your name? Come. What's your name? Oh. So I've met this lady. Look here. Tell them your YouTube channel. YouTube? Tell them to subscribe. What's your name? YouTube? Okay guys, I think she can't speak English. But just support her. Support her YouTube channel, alright? Yeah. Let's wait and see her YouTube. She's also vlogging here. She's using a GoPro. GoPro Hero. Which camera is this? Okay. I can't see which made is this. Okay, GoPro 12. It's here. Yeah, 12. Wow. Where is your YouTube? Guys, make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel. She's a lady, she needs support. Okay, let's see how many subscribers she has. Okay, she has 254 subscribers. This is her name. Oh, okay. Yes. Sambo Born KH. Can you see that? Okay, so subscribe to her YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe to her YouTube channel. She will take you around Cambodia, okay? See you, bye bye. Okay, guys, please support her. All right, guys, like I said, I'm here to take you around to the beautiful place, all right? So look at this. Whoa! So this side we have street vendors who are selling some eats, all right? And here, people chill in the evening just to enjoy the breeze. Look at this. Wow.
I buy one more.
Can you give me some? Thank you so much. Hello, my friend. Take my picture. Okay, bro. How are you? You good? Guys, see what they've just done. Yeah, I think that is a ferry. It's carrying a car. Actually, it's not carrying one. They're like 1, 2, 3. They're like 5. So this place or that place is for the ferry to help cars, motorbikes, vehicles to cross and go maybe the other side. I'm not sure what place is that, but you see, let me try to zoom. Let me zoom here. Can you see that? Okay, there is a ferry there.
Koniki ABA សូមណែនាំមុខនៃការពីសុវត្ថិភាពថ្មីទំនើបនឹងឈានមុខគេបង្អស់នៅក្នុង ABA Mobile ឈ្មោះថាសាមុខប្រើប្រាស់បច្ចេកវិទ្យាស្កបស្ទីងមុខទំនើបចុងក្រោយបង្អស់ដែលបង្កើតឡើងដោយធនាគារ ABA ដើម្បីជារនាំការពីសុវត្ថិភាពចំទី2បន្ថែមលើលេខសម្ងាត់របស់លោកអ្នកហើយនឹងត្រូវប្រើប្រាស់នៅពេលធ្វើប្រតិបត្តិការសំខាន់ៗដូចជាផ្ទេរប្រាក់ឬទូទាត់ប្រាក់ក្នុងចំនួនច្រើនៗបដូរលេខទូរស័ព្ទនិងបដូរលេខសម្ងាត់
Guys, see you in the next video. Alright? Beautiful. Downstairs, no people. So the guys are all upstairs. So everything here is nice. Okay? Yeah. Don't forget yourselves. Drink responsibly. Okay? Happening tonight. But cruise in Cambodia. ត្រង់នេះលោកអ្នកអាចកំណត់ទឹកប្រាក់ចាប់ពីប្រមាណដែលលោកអ្នកចង់ឲ្យប្រើមុខងារសារមុខឬហើយចុចរក្សាទុកហើយបញ្ជាក់ម្ដងទៀតជាមួយលេខសម្ងាត់និងផ្ទៃមុខជាការស្រេចអ្នកបើកគណនី ABA លើកដំបូងនឹងតម្រូវឲ្យបើកដំណើរការសារមុខក្នុងអំឡុងពេលបើកគណនីរហ័សតែម្ដងលោកអ្នកគ្រាន់តែចូលទៅកាន់ការកំណត់ផ្សេងៗដើម្បីកំណត់ចំនួនទឹកប្រាក់ដែលត្រូវប្រើមុខងារសារមុខដូចដែលបានបង្ហាញជូនមុននេះបន្ទាប់ពីមុខងារសារមុខបើកដំណើរការហើយផ្ទៃមុខរបស់លោកអ្នក So, well guys, I think you've seen this part in my video. Yeah, you've been so good viewers. Thank you so much for watching till to the end. I think just in a few minutes I'll be leaving this video here. Just help me subscribe, leave that beautiful comment, like and share. let's be together. One, let's build this channel together. You know, yeah, sometimes I do mistakes, but again, I'm here to ask for your forgiveness, okay? Yeah. So, I don't know, should I take you over to the other streets or what? Because right now, I should be signing out, trying to find my way to my hotel, okay? Anyway, can you see that beautiful girl who is there? Let me cross and see if I can talk to her, okay? Yeah, she's so sexy. She has a tattoo. She's gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Let me go with a beautiful couple. Hey, what's up? Where are you from? These guys want to finish us. Huh? Where are you from?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Cambodia also? Oh.
Đi Cambodia, đi Thailand.
Okay. So what is the name of this street? What is the name of the street? This one.
I know.
I can see some classic bar here. The bar is called Tiger. Over that side, in the corner.
Where you go? Where you go?
Actually, I'm filming around. Then I'll go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
We go to.
Eh?
We go sleep with brother.
Oh, you're going to the hotel. Okay. Oh, you sleep here at Smile 24 store? ATM. You're going to withdraw money. Ah, okay. Guys, see you. Bye bye. Those guys are going to the hotel. I think they just met at the riverside and they are going to complete the mission. Okay, so I'm just walking. I can't lie to you that I know any street here. No, I'm just showing you around.